Today, we will talk about how to safely induce vomiting in dogs. Let's have a look at the details. If you think your dog has ingested something harmful, like a toxin or foreign object, making it vomit can prevent serious illness and even death. What do I do if my dog ingests something harmful? Call a vet or animal poison control center if your dog ingests a toxin or object. For your dog's safety, only attempt to induce vomiting at home under extreme circumstances. Call an emergency hotline to confirm the circumstances and provide as much information as possible so they can instruct you on what to do next. When is it safe to make a dog vomit at home? Induce vomiting within 2 hours if your dog ingests antifreeze or chocolate. After 2 hours, the toxin will be in your dog's intestines and vomiting will no longer be effective. When is it too dangerous to make a dog vomit? Avoid making a dog vomit if it has swallowed a sharp object. Making a dog throw up a sharp object may cause additional internal injuries. There are a few other situations when inducing vomiting is too dangerous and should be avoided at all costs. How to make a dog vomit at home? Feed the dog a small meal if it hasn't eaten in the last 2 hours. This may sound counterintuitive, but feeding your dog a little food actually increases the chances of vomiting and makes the vomiting a little easier for your dog to pass. A small portion of canned food or a slice of toast will do the trick. If your dog refuses to eat, don't waste time trying to force it. Move your dog to a quiet area that will allow for easy cleanup. Measure out 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide per 4.5 kilograms of your dog's body weight. If your vet or poison control center says it's okay to induce vomiting, you can safely give your dog 3% hydrogen peroxide to make it throw up. Use a measuring spoon to measure the right amount. Use a dropper to put the hydrogen peroxide in your dog's mouth. Draw up the hydrogen peroxide into an ear or eye dropper or a syringe. Drop the measured amount of hydrogen peroxide as far back on your dog's tongue as you can. Encourage your dog to walk around. Moving around will make the contents of your dog's stomach mixed with hydrogen peroxide. Walk your dog for a few minutes to jumpstart the process. If your dog isn't up to walking, gently shake or move its belly. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for your dog to vomit. Vomiting usually begins quickly after a dog ingests hydrogen peroxide, usually within 10 minutes. If your dog does not vomit after 10 to 15 minutes, give it a second dose of hydrogen peroxide. If your dog hasn't thrown up after 2 doses of hydrogen peroxide, do not administer anymore. Seek emergency assistance. Are there other ways to induce vomiting in dogs? 3% hydrogen peroxide is the only safe way to make a dog throw up at home. You may have heard about other ways to force your dog to throw up, but they aren't safe. You could cause more harm than good or even seriously injure your dog if you try to use any of the following to induce vomiting: your hands or fingers, ipecac, baking soda, salt, and olive oil. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.